Good morning all my dear friends. I am Old Iron from the GLKU team. The model we are going to introduce today is from SCALECLUB 114th TATRA T815X8 all-metal climbing car, hydraulic version. Next, let us take you to have an in-depth understanding of the differences between this hydraulic version and the non-hydraulic version we introduced before. Of course, we will briefly review the details of the previous non-hydraulic version. If you want to go into more details, please review the previous episode on the non-hydraulic version. This will help you better understand what makes the hydraulic version unique. The version we bring this time is equipped with a PL18 remote control. But if you don't need a remote control, we can also provide a version without a remote control to meet different needs. When we receive the machine, we first check to see if there is any damage caused during transportation. If you find any problems, please contact us immediately. In the package, a pack of individually packaged screwdrivers and some small parts needed for assembly are also thoughtfully included to facilitate your smooth installation. In addition, a hydraulic injector is thoughtfully provided. The size of the vehicle is 73*21*25 centimeters. The vehicle is made of high-strength materials such as stainless steel and aluminum alloy to ensure the durability and stability of the vehicle. Of course, you can intuitively see that the overall color of TATRA has been customized. If you like other colors, we can also provide customized services according to your needs. Next, we will open the metal body shell of the cab and perform power on operation of the truck. The main power battery uses the XT60 interface, and we will connect it next. We put the battery into the battery slot, making sure the battery is firmly seated. Let's learn about the PL18 remote control part. Before shipping, we will put yellow labels on the function keys of the remote control so that users can more clearly identify and operate them. Next, we turn on the remote control. Next, we will turn on the truck's ESC main power switch. Next, we will turn on the lighting system. The operating position is the lever in the upper left corner of the remote control. Turn on the daytime running lights. Turn on low beam. Turn on your high beam. Turn on the roof light. In terms of details, the truck restores the pedal effect, further enhancing the realism of the model. In addition, it is also equipped with a turn signal linkage effect, which enhances the overall sense of control and detail performance. At the same time, you can also turn on the double flash function to further improve the visibility and safety of the truck in complex road conditions. The truck is equipped with width lights on both sides. Next, we will open the equipment compartment. The opening method is very simple. Just turn the handle half a turn clockwise, and the equipment compartment door can be easily opened. After opening, we can see that the interior is equipped with a two-way hydraulic valve servo. In addition, a light and sound system, as well as a remote control receiver are integrated. Let's open the toolbox, which is a steering servo system. The other side of the truck is equipped with a fuel tank, and we have clearly marked the tank to ensure a clearer understanding of its location. The toolbox next to it is mainly a space for placing the hydraulic pump. The truck's unique design is reflected in the center portion of the wheels arranged in a splayed shape on both sides. using a disconnected swing half-shaft structure. As an 8x8 version, its 8 half shafts are connected to the drive shaft on the inside of the central spine tube frame through differentials, allowing each wheel to swing up and down independently. This design ensures that the vehicle can maintain maximum contact with the ground when off-road, providing better traction and off-road capabilities. Next, let's take a look at the detailed design of the tail trailer, and the trailer can be replaced with different kits at will. More practical. There are multiple sets of metal buckles on the side of the drag plate. In addition, you can also choose the ratchet tensioner of this car's binding belt to ensure that the goods do not move or scatter during transportation, further enhancing the realism and pliability of the model. Next, we turn on the hydraulic system, with the knob on the left side of the remote control, and adjust the pressure to about half. Then, we will start the self-unloading lifting device for operation. Turn on. The big arm and small arm functions are on the levers on both sides of the remote control. Here, we can observe the fine movements of the fully unloaded hydraulic cylinder during operation, showing a high degree of delicacy and smoothness. The maximum tilt height has been reached, and then we will start the descent operation. Next, we will demonstrate the roll-on, roll-off operation. Start the roll-on full unloading function, and operate it through the control lever marked on the forearm of the remote control. When it is turned on, we can see that the movable baffle has the function of folding up or down. This kind of movable parts is very common in model making, which not only improves the interactivity but also enhances the simulation effect of the model. Next, we will cooperate with the lifting operation of the big arm hydraulic cylinder to complete the unloading process of the carriage. So today's unboxing of the 1/14th TATRA T815 8x8 all-metal climbing car, hydraulic version from SCALECLUB is here. If you'd like more details, check out the previous episode's unboxing of the hydraulic-less version, or contact me. Thank you again for watching. Please stay tuned for the next episode of the product unboxing video introduction. Bye!